Hi, Erica McLean. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. They say home is where the heart is, but let's be real. It's also where arguments about the thermostat, dirty dishes, mysteriously long bathroom breaks go down. Living with your significant other is not always heart-shaped pancakes and Netflix marathons. Sometimes it's a battle royale over who last touched the remote. Recently, real estate queen Barbara Corcoran dropped a hot take that the secret to a long, happy marriage might just be separate bedrooms. Yep, you heard that right. But that got me thinking. What other home features could save relationships or at least make living together a little, say, less dramatic? First up, the thermostat battle. One of you wants the house set to tropical getaway while the other's living their winter wonderland dream. The solution? A dual zone thermostat. You can each have your own climate zone. No more cold wars over the temperature. Next, the kitchen sink conundrum. Every couple has a clean freak and, well, the other one. Instead of fighting over dried cereal bowls, just install separate sinks. One stays spotless and the other is free to embrace chaos. Then there's always the dishwasher debate. Plates face inward, or do they? Instead of reloading each other's dishes for the millionth time, just get two dishwashers, one for the organizer extraordinaire and one for the creative loader in the relationship. Enter the safe room. It's your sanctuary from passive aggressive laundry comments, or let's be honest, stock it with snacks, noise canceling headphones, and a lock. Instant peace. And you've got snacks. Finally, let's talk about soundproof bathroom walls, because no one wants to hear their partner's rendition of Living on a Prayer or any other sounds. Trust me, soundproofing your bathroom could be the real MVP of your home. So there you have it. 5 funny home features that could help couples live and love together in peace. Sure, they might not solve every disagreement, but hey, they're a start. Comment below which feature you would want in your home. I'd love to know. Anyway, I hope you found this enjoyable, a little entertaining on when it comes to real estate. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I hope to see you back in another video. Thanks for watching.